What's up, cuties? Hope you guys are having a wonderful day so far today. Welcome back to a brand new video. If you guys are new here, then think about subscribing because that will actually motivate me to make more such videos. And also the little post notification bell so that you get the notification as soon as I go live. So, आज सुबह I was actually going through a bunch of DMs on my Instagram. और actually मेरे पास दो तीन ideas already लिखे हुए थे, but I was like, I don't know if it's going to connect immediately or not. And a lot of people actually do ask me this question that how do you have this command over English, or how do we speak better English, or how do we speak like you. So you don't have to speak like me, but you can speak good English, and the process which I'm going to be telling you guys, you can apply this process to learn any other language, not just English. So let's just get into it. So once you know कि भाई चलो ये language सीखना है, so start consuming as much as content as you can in that particular language. So start reading, start watching movies and series, start listening to music and podcast, and you can start writing. Basically, you need to surround yourself with that language. In this video, I'm just going to be talking about English, but you can apply this process to learn any other language. So initially, I would suggest you guys to watch a bunch of content with subtitles, and repeat those movies and series which you're watching again and again, till you learn each and every dialogue of that movie or series. So best things to watch would be Harry Potter series. You can watch animated movies like Finding Nemo or Finding Dory, or you can watch Smurfs, or you can watch Friends. Series like this and movies like this, which every time you watch it, you'll find it interesting and it will be completely new for you. So जब आप ये सारी चीज़ें सबटाइटल्स के साथ देखना शुरू करते हो, तो इनिशियली वो शायद रट्टा मारो फाई वाली फीलिंग आएगी, लेकिन थोड़े टाइम बाद जो है आप ऐसे एक्सप्रेशन देखोगे, आप वर्ड्स देखते हो एंड यू सॉर्ट ऑफ जॉइन देम टुगेदर, एंड इट इज़ एक्चुअली अ ग्रेट exercise when it comes to picking up accents. We'll talk about that in a while, but initially start watching a bunch of content with subtitles. Next is reading. Reading is actually a great exercise when it comes to languages. It will increase your knowledge, your vocabulary, and you'll sort of understand the sentence formation. And you can just start off with reading storybooks like Narnia or The Lion and the Witch and the Wardrobe, or you can read Goosebumps, stories and books like that, which in which the language is not that difficult that you won't understand it. And I remember when I was in my school days, I used to get that card for library, so I used to issue these kinds of books only, storybooks and comic books. So I used to read that. Sometimes I used to reissue them. So you can do that, or if you have already read a book in Hindi or in any other language, so you can get the English adaptation of that book. So उससे क्या होगा कि you'll know the context, but you're just reading it ahead in English. So that's very, very helpful for you to read a book. Next is listen. Listen to music. It is a great way to learn English. You can listen to music, you can listen to podcast. आजकल मतलब सावन और दूसरे कई सारे पोर्टल्स पे, इवन यूट्यूब पे कितने सारे पॉडकास्ट अवेलेबल हैं. यू कैन लिसन टू वट एवर यू वॉन्ट. लाइक इफ यू हैव इंटरेस्ट इन फाइनेंस, और if you have interest in fashion, fitness, or maybe games. Speaking about games, you can listen to commentary if you like cricket or football. It is a great way. कुछ करने को नहीं है, अगर आप ट्रेन में हो या फिर आप कैब में कहीं ट्रैवल कर रहे हो, कुछ करने को नहीं है, म्यूजिक सुन लो, पॉडकास्ट सुन लो. सो do that and basically consume as much as content as you can in English. Moving on to writing. Now writing is also a way to learn any language, especially English. You get to know about the sentence formation, you get to know about the spellings and everything. So just start off with writing a diary. आपको ऐसा मतलब पन्ने भरने की जरूरत नहीं डायरी में. You can just write the pointers, or I would say headlines of that day. Or if you're like super active on social media or on YouTube, or if you see like any video or something, you can just comment down below the review of that video. Like, did you like it, what did you like about the video, or if you don't like it, or whatever. So start including these kind of exercises in your day-to-day life. It will really help you. Now the next process of learning a language is to communicate. मतलब ज़रा भी फ़ायदा नहीं होगा ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज करने का if you don't try to communicate in English. दैट्स द ओनली वे यू कैन टेल योर सेल्फ कि हाँ भाई तुमको इंग्लिश बोलनी आती है. मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करूँ तो व्हेन आई वाज इन माय ट्रेनिंग डेज, लाइक आई वाज डूइंग माय ट्रेनिंग फॉर कैबिन क्रू, I was not at all this fluent in English. I was not at all confident when it comes to communicating with somebody. Uh, और उस टाइम प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि आई यूज टू अंडरस्टैंड इंग्लिश बट इट वॉज डिफ़िकल्ट फॉर मी टू स्पीक इट. और मैंने ये देखा कि बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ यही प्रॉब्लम है कि वो समझ तो पाते हैं इंग्लिश को लेकिन वो बोल नहीं पाते, उनको कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होता है अपने जो भी वो सेंटेंस बनाते हैं अपने मन में या जो भी है. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि इंग्लिश समझना आज के ज़माने में कोई इतनी बड़ी बात है क्योंकि थैंक्स टू सोशल मीडिया, आई मीन थैंक्स टू यूट्यूब, इफ़ यू लाइक सॉर्ट ऑफ प्रेजेंट ऑन सोशल मीडिया, सो इंग्लिश तो आई थिंक हम सुबह शाम कंज्यूम करते हैं. और इफ़ यू think like you're not sounding that great outside, so start speaking amongst your family members or amongst your friends or anything like that. मतलब ग्रुप्स भी आजकल तो कितने बन रहे हैं फेसबुक वगैरह पे, so you can join them. So start speaking it. Now the next point is don't be ashamed. इस चीज़ में आपको बिल्कुल भी शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए अगर आपको किसी वर्ड का मतलब नहीं पता है या फिर आपने कोई सेंटेंस गलत बोल दिया है. इट इज़ टोटली फाइन एक कॉन्वर्सेशन में मतलब कितने सारे वर्ड्स होते हैं और हर एक वर्ड का मीनिंग आपको पता हो ऐसा कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है. मतलब इंग्लिश बहुत ही वास्ट लैंग्वेज है और मैं भी मतलब किसी के साथ भी ऐसी बातें होती हैं तो मैं डायरेक्टली पूछ लेता हूँ अगर मुझे किसी वर्ड का मतलब नहीं पता है कि यार इस वर्ड का मतलब क्या है या उस वर्ड का मतलब क्या है या फिर इस वर्ड को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं उस वर्ड को कैसे यूज़ करते हैं. इट इज़ टोटली फाइन. और इस चीज़ में आपको बिल्कुल भी शर्म नहीं आनी चाहिए कि यार मैं इंग्लिश मुझे बोलना नहीं आती है. ट्रस्ट मी, इट्स नॉट दैट बिग अ डील. आपको सीखना है, दैट्स ग्रेट. और इट इज़ ऑलवेज ग्रेट टू लर्न एंड नो मोर थिंग्स, बट इट्स जस्ट अ मोड ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. एंड अगर कुछ समझ में नहीं आया है, कहीं कोई वर्ड सुना कहीं पढ़ा नहीं समझ आया, ऑलवेज केम्ब्रिज इट. मतलब डायरेक्ट गूगल मत करो आप, पहले गूगल पे केम्ब्रिज डिक्शनरी टाइप करो, then go to the link and then search whatever word you want to search because it tells you the correct pronunciation of that word. So do that. I mean, things are really easy these days. So start asking as many as questions as you want. It is totally fine to commit mistakes. Now the next point is imitate. मैंने शुरुआत में आपको बोला था एक्सेंट्स के बारे में. सो दिस एक्सेंट इज अ वेरी this accent is a very confused accent, I would say. So when I really started liking the language, when I actually started watching movies. So when I was a kid, I used to get that DVD. हमको DVD जो है रेंट पे मिलती थी यहाँ पे 15-20 रुपए में. So I used to get that, and when I was a kid, I used to watch all sorts of movies like Harry Potter or Jumanji, Stuart Little, or parts of Jurassic Park. So movies like that. So all the accent which I have right now is actually copied or imitated of those movies which I saw when I was a kid. So if you think like if you like the way someone sound, so start watching their movies over and over again. So I like the accents of Daniel Radcliffe or Emma Watson, and that Lucifer guy. I mean, I don't know his name, but I watched Lucifer just because of this accent. So start watching their movies and series over and over again, and eventually you will pick up that accent. And it is totally fine to imitate. Eventually you will have your own style. You will have your own way of speaking it. It will come naturally. Like you don't have to make any kind of efforts for that. So yeah, and lastly, you have to be consistent with this. With the tips which I have shared with you guys, you have to be really really consistent. You have to keep practicing it. That's the only way you can sound better in English. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. Was this video helpful? Like, I don't know, do let me know in the comment sections how you like it. Like इसमें से क्या यूज़ किया, क्या अच्छा लगा या बिल्कुल ही बकवास लगा. Please do let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you think about this video. And let's communicate a little bit. So yeah, with that, I love you guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and subscribe ना किया तो कर देना हाँ, क्योंकि that is very important. So we'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, I love you guys. Have a beautiful rest of your day. I think I've said it before, but yeah, it's okay. Take care. Bye bye.